Welcome to the informal newscast of bilingual investing called Crypto Climate. Jay here with you guys today, presenting the climatic pulse and forecast of the markets during the past week. But before we do so, make sure you guys are subscribed to our YouTube channel. If you enjoy this type of content, make sure you guys like this video. Make sure you guys click on the notification bell to stay tuned for every new video that we release for our community, guys. This is our playlist of free educational videos. We're gonna leave the link in the description down below. Make sure you guys check it out. Just a lot of beautiful educational content for free for you guys. And don't forget, guys, we also have our giveaway. You know, we have a video on our YouTube channel. Make sure you guys check that out, where you can actually win some cash. So keep that in mind. Here's the evidence. We have the cash ready. So all you guys have to do is just check the video in our channel so that you guys can make sure that you qualify to be able to participate in our giveaway. Guys, the crypto fear and greed index currently at around extreme fear, around the 20 level. Yesterday was 22. Last week it was 22. As we've been saying, we've been remaining, above the 20 level as that key support. And today we had a pump, with Bitcoin. We're going to discuss that. So that's probably going to be reflected with some bullish sentiment, maybe even go all the way up to the fear level, that 25 to 50, instead of remaining, at that extreme fear point. So stay tuned with regards to that. So about the pump today, wow, a massive candle, guys. We see that we were currently at around $19,200 and we went all the way up to $20,200. That's a $1,000 candle in less than 24 hours. Green, bullish, positive candle for the day. The key point is that we broke above that key resistance level of $19,550. Wow, that is just so important for now. The candle hasn't closed. It'll probably close by the end of today, the day today. So keep that in mind. But again, guys, we retested that support level of $19,000, and then a couple of candles later we broke to above the key resistance level, and now we're attempting to retest that next resistance level at around $20,300. So stay tuned to see if Bitcoin is going to decide to actually retest that resistance, and let's see how it behaves when it does so. But look at that candle, man. A lot of bullishness today, a lot of volatility. So, it's a beautiful time to be in crypto. With regards to the weekly, same thing. Look at that. No wick here, no wick at the top here. That means that we're just pushing up, very bullish, positive green candle for the week. We do see the two buy wicks here in the bottom part. That means there's a lot of buy pressure at these levels, coming off that key support of $18,646 last week. And this week, we're currently holding as support that $19,550 key pivotal level, man. Look at that bullishness. So if you ask me, Jay, on the weekly, we're currently below the 200 week, so we're bearish in that sense. But, look at that. Look at that. Wow. Just as we record this video, Bitcoin is pushing up. Man, the volatility, man, that adrenaline is beautiful. It's beautiful. We expect Bitcoin, to retest the $20,300 level first, which we're really close now. And then after that, we expect, if we continue on forward, to hit that $20,750, $800 resistance level. That's going to be the next key resistance, on the weekly for Bitcoin. But man, exciting times. With regards to the Bitcoin dominance, we see that, Bitcoin's losing some dominance and it is going up. So it means that altcoins are going up more than Bitcoin. We do see the uptrend here in a sense, running into essentially that resistance level. So we have to wait and see if we're going to break down and retest, the 40.40% support level, or we're going to, come right back up and attempt to break that 41.89% towards the next resistance of 43.15%. The DXY, man, the markets are pumping. Why, Jay? Well, take a look at the DXY. The dollar index is going down. We have this massive candle for the day today, and we're currently trying to retest that key support trend line here, as we can see, coming back for the calendar year. So we're at a pivotal level, guys. This is it. We're gonna probably play around with this blue trend line, and then it's gonna be key to watch if we bounce back up from that level, attempting to retest and then reclaim those local highs, or if we're gonna break down break support, and then continue on down. So we're at a pivotal point right now, man. These are exciting times, so stay tuned. But again, guys, let's just analyze the performance of the top 5 cryptocurrencies for the past week. We start with Bitcoin, BTC, currently at $20,200, give or take, up 4.13%. Number 2, Ethereum, currently at around $1,485. We're up 13.48%. Must be nice. Number 3, BNB, currently at around $288, up 5.59%. Number 4, XRP, the scam, currently at around 47 cents, up 0.09 cents. And then number 5, Cardano, currently at around 41 cents, up 12.42% in the week. Man, the top 5, they're running up, man. We exploded above 20K, so you know how the market gets when that happens. So again, we have the top 5 best performing assets, for the past week. Let's start off with Clayton, currently at around 20 cents, up about 40% for the week. Then number 2, we have Toncoin, currently at around $1.60, up 30%. Man, the markets are looking nice today, huh? Number 3, Huobi token, currently at around $9.38, up 20%. Number 4, Ethereum, we already went over that, and then Cardano as well from the top 5 coins, just to round it off. The top 5 worst performing assets for the past week. Currently, we have Axie Infinity, AXS, at around $9 a pop, down 16.78%. Number 2, Maker, DAO, currently at around $963, down 12.82%. Number 3, we have Chain, XCN, currently at around a nickel, down 12.38%. Number 4, we have Ethereum Name Service, ENS, at around $17.79, down 7%. And number 5, the Balloon Coin, Helium, currently at around $4.17, down 6.79%. Guys, again, if you enjoy this content, make sure you guys like the video, sub to our YouTube channel if you haven't done so already. In the description down below, you can also find a link to our website where we have our other social networks, access to cryptocurrency exchanges, and just any tools and resources that you might need. Again, don't forget, guys, we have our giveaway up and running. October 31st is going to be that date that we plan on, releasing the winners. So stay tuned for that. The money is already ready. There's the evidence. So guys, if you enjoy the content, like the video, sub to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your time. Hope you guys have a good one.